Good day everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to open files in desktop app by default in Microsoft Teams. Now to set Microsoft Teams to open files in desktop apps by default, you will have to adjust the files and link settings in Teams. Now you might have observed that when you're trying to open a files within Microsoft Teams, it would either open in the browser or it would open within the Teams. Now there are ways to go ahead and change the settings to open this file in the desktop app. One way is to do a right click on the respective files and you can choose the files how you want to open that file. When you do this, these settings will not retain. If you go by change default app, you have an option to change the settings to default. If you change it to desktop, then the respective app would open in the desktop. So this is one way to do it. You can go to the respective files, do a right click and then change the default. Other way to do it is you can go to the settings, click on the settings, and then under files and links, you have an option to change always open the Word, PowerPoint and Excel files to open in the desktop. So when you do this, irrespective of what files you're opening, that is Word, PowerPoint or Excel in your Teams, it would open in the desktop app. Once this is done, you can also verify and apply these settings globally by opening the individual app. So for example, if you're trying to open PowerPoint, make sure the settings are applied globally. So you can go to the PowerPoint, open the blank document and then go to the file at the top left corner and then go to options. Under options, you may go ahead and click on advanced. Under advanced, you will find something called file open preferences. Make sure you change this file open preferences to desktop and then click on OK. Repeat the same step for Excel or Word. So open Excel and go to file at the top left corner and then go to options. Under options, you may go to advanced. Make sure your file open preference has been set to desktop so that any files you open in Microsoft Teams would open in the desktop. Once this is done, you may close all the application. Close Teams and reopen Microsoft Teams. Once this is done, you may go to the shared drive location, double click on that file and that should open the file in the desktop. So this is how you can go ahead and open the files in the desktop app by default in Microsoft Teams. Now, in spite of trying all this step and if you're still facing the problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.